Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching us how to make YouTube thumbnail using the Capcut. Before I proceed with this tutorial, I already went to my browser. I downloaded a plain background which I will be using for this tutorial. When that was done, I went to my Capcut. I clicked on new project. I imported that background into my Capcut for editing. The ratio was 9:16 and 9:16 won't be good for thumbnail. So what I did was I went to my cropping tool on Capcut and I was able to crop it down to 16:9 for easy use. I clicked on overlay and I picked a photo of my choice. I tried to drag the photo to suit my standard. Then I clicked on BG to erase the background from my photo. Then I clicked on overlay again and selected the Capcut logo from my gallery. When I selected the logo, I placed it in a spot where I felt it was comfortable. I went to my text, I click on add text, then I wrote thumbnail. Then I try to adjust it, to balance it up. I resize it, make it a bit smaller. Then I went to my style, went to my background. I added a dark background to the text to make it more defined and unique, Then I went to my font to change it, to make it a bit, to add life. Yeah, so I'm trying to resize it to my own taste. When I'm done with that, I still went back to my add text to complete what I want to write. I want to be writing tutorial. You can see there, thumbnail tutorial. Set. ASAP. That is it. Then we'll be going somewhere to adjust. Let's add more life to the thumbnail, more colors. Yeah, why I'm doing all this to add value. You go to the HSL. We have red background, we have red in the image, so try to play with the colors. We have brown and all that, so I'm just trying to match the colors in the right proportion. So I'm still trying to fix things up. After that, I exported the video. It is in form of a video anyway. Wow. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we have been able to successfully export the video. Then I went over to my gallery. I went to where the video was. Then I screenshot it. Then after screenshotting it, I went to my gallery, brought out the screenshot. The photo that I had the screenshot. I went to my ratio and I crop it 16:9. And I saved it. If this video added value to you, or if you have learned one or two things from the video, please do not forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.